Hey beautiful people, are you tired of expensive skincare that promises a glow but never delivers? Or do you just want to switch to something more natural and safe for your skin? You are in the right place. In this video, you'll discover 5 easy homemade face packs using simple kitchen ingredients plus bonus skincare secrets to keep your skin glowing all year long. Grab a cup of tea, sit back and let's glow together, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss my best natural beauty tips. Why natural face packs work? Before we get started, why choose homemade face packs? 1. They are free from harsh chemicals. 2. They are gentle and suitable for most skin types. 3. They are affordable. You probably have these ingredients at home already, and the best part, they can be customized to your skin's needs. Dry, only, acne prone, or dull. There's something here for everyone. Alright, let's get glowing. 5 homemade face packs in detail. 1. Honey and turmeric glow pack. First up is the classic honey and turmeric glow pack, a timeless beauty secret from India. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin. Turmeric has curcumin, which reduces inflammation and brightens your complexion. How to make it? 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Optional, a few drops of lemon juice for extra brightening. Mix well, apply to clean skin, relax for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Pro tip, use an old towel, turmeric can stain. Do this twice a week for an instant radiant boost. 2. Yogurt and oatmeal exfoliating pack. Next is my favorite for gentle exfoliation, the yogurt and oatmeal face pack. Yogurt has natural lactic acid to remove dead skin cells. Oatmeal soothes redness and irritation, perfect if you have sensitive skin. You will need 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon ground oatmeal, optional, 1 teaspoon honey for added moisture. Apply the paste in gentle circular motions. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off while scrubbing lightly. Bonus, this also works as a mild scrub for your neck and shoulders. 3. Aloe vera and rose water hydration pack. If your skin feels dry and tired, this aloe vera and rose water pack is like a drink of water for your face. Aloe vera calms and hydrates. Rose water tones and refreshes. What you need: 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon pure rose water. Mix, apply and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Tip: keep your aloe gel in the fridge. The coolness will tighten pores and wake up dull skin. 4. Papaya and honey brightening pack. Now for something fruity, the papaya and honey pack works wonders for dull pigmented skin. Papaya has papain enzymes which fight blemishes and even skin tone. Honey locks in moisture. How to make it? 3 cubes of ripe papaya, mashed well, 1 teaspoon honey. Apply to your face, avoiding your eyes. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Tip: use this pack twice a week for a natural glow that lasts. 5. Banana and almond oil nourishing pack. Last but not the least, the banana and almond oil pack for super soft nourished skin. Banana is rich in potassium and vitamin A, which helps hydrate dry skin. Almond oil is packed with vitamin E for a healthy glow. How to make it? Half ripe banana mash, half teaspoon almond oil. Apply, relax for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel baby soft. Trust me. Extra glow tips. Face packs works best when you combine them with good habits. Here are some quick natural glow boosters. 1. Hydrate from the inside. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Herbal teas and green smoothies help too. 2. Eat fresh more fruit, veggies, nuts. Your skin will thank you. 3. Protect your skin. Always use sunscreen even when indoors. 4. Sleep well. Your skin repairs itself well while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. 5. Massage your face. Gently use your fingertips or jade roller boosts circulation and helps your skin absorb all that goodness. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with natural face packs, a few mistakes can ruin your results. Avoid this. Using too much turmeric, it can stain your skin yellow. Not doing a patch test. Always check new ingredients on a small area first. Over exfoliating. Stick to 2 to 3 times a week max. Leaving marks on too long, they can dry your skin out instead of helping. Skipping sunscreen. After using brightening packs, your skin can be more sensitive to the sun. Remember, your skin deserves the best, and sometimes the best is right in your kitchen. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more natural skincare, and share it with your friends who want that radiant, healthy glow too. Stay beautiful, stay natural, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.